What's up guys, it's Devin Grillo here, and I just want to do a quick video that kind of walks through the two different routes that entrepreneurs can take to make money online, right? So the first one is offering some kind of a product. So that could be a cat shirt or a pen or a laptop or something physical, tangible that is being sold either through your own e-commerce platform or on Amazon or something like that. So you can take that route, or you can actually build a bit of a brand that focuses like Nike on athletic clothing, right? So you can focus on a specific industry, a specific niche, and then you can provide a good that's focused on that. The second way you can actually make money online as an entrepreneur is providing a service. So this could be consulting, it could be digital media, so like websites or videos. You can do marketing, you can do copywriting, writing people's blog posts, website content, stuff like that. So those are kind of your two different routes, and a lot of the time they both work really well. You just have to decide what you're more interested in. Are you wanting to do the service where you're more hands-on providing stuff, or do you want to do a product where you make it one time and then it's all about just marketing it and sales, right? So those are kind of two different routes that you have to first identify which way you want to go and what kind of a product you want to offer or what kind of a service you want to offer. So that's a good starting point. And if you're thinking about wanting to, hey, I want to make some money online, I want to try this out, first you got to identify which route you want to go. So stay tuned. I'm going to do some more videos like this, the kind of basic stuff to get you started in entrepreneurship and making money online. So take care, guys.